Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am doing another poppy seeding demonstration. This time it's in an area of my garden that doesn't have a good soil profile developed. So I'm going to do my classic top dress with soil cube compost and then direct seed into that. This is a really efficient strategy to maximize your germination rate and to ensure that you will have a healthy stand of poppies in the spring season. So stay tuned to watch the process. So to give you a reference, this is kind of the back side property, and I'm going to be doing some major changes here as I merge the two properties together. I'm actually planning on removing from that black piece of wood all the way back. All of that's going to be removed, and this is actually going to be like a driving path between the two. But I really want this area that will stay as it is to get developed better. And you can't totally tell. There's actually a significant grade change as the properties slope down towards the woodland swamp. But this area is several inches lower than literally the adjacent here, where you can see I have a lot more self-sowing happening. This is all larkspur coming in here. I didn't do this. This is from years past. So I'm just gonna put a couple inches of soil cube covering this whole area where it's lower, and that's where I'm going to direct seed the poppies. Well, if you want to go from 0 to 100 in your garden, soil cube is the answer. Honestly, it's like hitting the easy button. Look at how beautiful the soil is, and it's prime for getting poppies sown in it. Now you can click the link below to learn more about ordering soil cube, where they deliver, and the prices. I highly recommend it. It's totally changed my life as a gardener. Now, on to the sowing process. It's so easy. Just remember, poppies need to be surface sown. They need light to germinate. You don't mulch over them, don't rake them, or walk in the bed once you've sown the seeds. This is the very last step. And all I'm gonna do is toss the seed out in handfuls. And I know because I have been seeing this same seed germinate all over my yard. And by the way, if you bought poppies from me, this is the same seed that you bought. This is open pollinated. It'll be every color. I know that it's viable. I know these are gonna germinate, and this is gonna be an incredibly beautiful border come the spring season. Now it's just a waiting game for the germination. That all really is going to depend on temperatures, very specifically soil temperature. We've been really warm, but temperatures are crashing overnight, and the forecast looks more like winter. So it'll be a thing to see when these actually germinate and what their development is, especially compared to the poppies that I sowed on my normal schedule, which is more in the fall, starting October, November, my prime date, Black Friday, Thanksgiving weekend, but even through the month of December. January poppies, we'll see what they do. I think we have enough time for them to develop and flower before temperatures get too hot in the spring. But again, everything in the garden is an experiment. I look forward to sharing updates on this and all of the other things that I have going on in my garden in my weekly garden tours. Be sure to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, everybody.